Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We are out here in Brecksville today picking up a post-mitigation test for a system that we installed last week. You can see here we did a drain tile depressurization system in this house. They got a nice waterproofing system all along the perimeter of the home here with that perforated drain tile. So we were able to tie right into that system and lower the radon level significantly from that. This house originally tested about 3.5 or above. And we came in and installed a system for them and got those radon levels down to 1.6 on average, and I think they're looking really good here. Homeowners are very happy. We're very ecstatic with the results that we got here. We'll head outside and take a look at the external portion of the system here in just a second, but thanks for joining us. All right guys, we're outside here in Brecksville taking a look at the external portion of the system. You can see here where it came out the foundation wall. Right below that is the sump pump system that we tied into. Put our 145 fan on there, nice and quiet. It's on the designated switch. We had it run all the way up above the roof line here. Nice thing with this house is it has multiple levels of roof, so we were able to stay on the low side here and shoot that radon up and away without having to go up really high into the roof line above there. So it's nice and well hidden here behind the garage. And again, very happy with the results. Thanks for checking us out. Make sure you stay tuned for more content.